Hey y'all, it's Wednesday morning. I should be getting my kids ready for school, and I will in a second. But I'm super excited because my friend Julie texted me and said, look, my Blue Apron box arrived. Super excited because this is her and her family's first time trying Blue Apron. I've tried it before, big fan, and I thought, hey, how about we do a little cooking show with her daughter Jada? Since it's the summertime, she's out of school. This could be like a great learning experience for her, but also a lot of fun for us to get together. So I'm going to drive an hour to the other part of DFW, Metroplex, to hang out with them for a bit, and we're going to cook. I believe there's a couple meals with shrimp in it, I think is what they chose. I know one of them is a sushi bowl. That is really what I'm going over there for. The sushi bowl for lunch sounds excellent. So we're going to try that out. You'll get to see us making the meals, and this is really just about you seeing how fun and easy it is to cook, especially when you've already ordered something, it's delivered to your door, all the ingredients are there and prepared for you. All you have to do is cook and enjoy the meal. And also, this is a way for you to see how you can get your kids involved in cooking. So let me get ready and I will see you over there. All right, friends, so we are almost at Julie's house to cook with Jada. Super excited. We're gonna go in, we're gonna chat, we're gonna cook, and have a good time. So I hope that y'all are ready to see everything that we get done today. I am parking, and I am going in, and I will see you in a bit.
The radishes lengthwise. Okay, so the same for those. What about the avocado? Wash and dry the produce. So I can wash and dry.
These are radishes.
Kind of probably in the onion family, maybe.
Yeah, with cold water.
But
And then this one's scary. Yep. Sometimes it works with you and sometimes it does not. And today is that day. We're fine because it was the seed side.
Like the gingerbread man.
Which is Nala's favorite song. She has taught it to herself in English and Spanish.
no.
Like, do y'all speak Spanish at home? Like, no. Recognize your last name. I'm like, oh, yeah, that's me. That's not her. She speaks Spanish to us at home. Her brother's over it. Girl, just hush. He yelled at her the other day. Okay.
Oh, let's. Where can we say something right here? And then we'll just hit play. Oh, you're playing already. How do I stop?
Just hit the red.
Okay.
Heat to boiling. So we got a little boil.
And then I think we can cook the shrimp. Once it's warming up, we'll wait like a minute. And then put the shrimp in the oil.
Let's do this avocados.
I think we're going to put that on at the end. Overcooked shrimp, because then it gets like chewy and rubbery. It's not good. You think we're ready? There you go.
Just be careful, don't touch the pan.
Ooh, perfect.
Yeah, one more. Here, I'll get it.
Perfect.
And then I'm gonna flatten them out in here.
Friends, I totally forgot to come back on camera and in the midst of it let you know what we were doing. We were really into it. We were really into just like vibing that we forgot to talk about what we were doing. So we prepped for the sushi bowls. We put everything into little containers after we prepped and washed and got all of our ingredients together. And what you will see is Jada practicing chopping vegetables when she was comfortable, but also us like kind of tag teaming, putting things like cooking the shrimp and putting all the pieces together, putting the bowls together, and then us trying it. So you'll see a little bit of like Jada trying her sushi bowl and me, and Casanova and Julie. And what's interesting is Julie doesn't necessarily like shrimp. Sometimes it like tastes too fishy, but what we found out is like she was actually cool with this. She loved this. We loved putting the bowls together and trying them. We really enjoyed like having the timer set and having Jada like talk through the ingredients and really just like making it fun. It was really quick to make. Even after like getting the ingredients prepped and like doing the cooking part. It didn't take that long. I think it was like 15-20 minutes, if that. So this was a really quick lunch and or dinner that a family could try. And when we were reading the directions, we realized that you could have picked what your protein was going to be for this as well, which was super cool of Blue Apron to give you that option. So we also made a separate meal, which was also fun. So the second meal was like an orzo pasta meal. Super delicious. It was everyone's first time except for mine having orzo, so that was fun. So yeah, that's what we were doing in the midst of that. So you'll see all of that happening in the video.
There you go. Cucumber? Some of that on there.
You want to sprinkle some on there?
Just like pinch it and then sprinkle it on. Yep. That's that chef's kiss right there, Jada.
That's awesome.
Good job. Ready? Taste test. Did you try the shrimp yet, Mama? We good? Dad approved?
Yep. Good. I wasn't sure if I liked the sauce, but it's good.
A little spice to it too.
Yeah, I didn't add too much.
So why do we do this? The whole purpose of this was, one, to have fun with the kids in the summer and cook, but two, also wanted to give parents a glimpse into like real life, like cooking with kids. The other, like Julie's son was there with his friend. They had like summer sports workouts, so like they had pizza for lunch while we did this, but we were able to like do all of that while hanging out together. And then we started talking about like ParentPorch stuff, and just like had a good time that afternoon. Jada eventually went and like played with the dog and enjoyed the rest of her afternoon, but it was a lot of fun. And so our hope in this is, as we are working with our partner companies, we are giving you a true glimpse into how we are using this and ultimately sharing how this can save you time, energy, and money. Blue Apron allowed us to remove some of the decision making that had to be done. We already know that in parenting, there's a lot of decisions made every day, either for that day, the next day, or the coming days and weeks, or maybe even months, depending on what season we're in. And so taking one decision away where we didn't have to go into the store and like get the ingredients together because they came in this little bag and everything came in this box with multiple meals to feed multiple people in the house was super cool. And it was quick and easy to make. The instructions were just a few steps. It was like 3 steps to cook all of this. So it was healthy. Julie was telling me a lot about nutrition and like how they're trying to be more nutritious with the kids and introduce more foods and cook at home to save them money, because they spend a lot of time like either on the road or throughout the city with sports and activities and things like that, even in the summer with their son playing competitive sports. So just trying out different things, and they wanted to try Blue Apron, and I thought this was great. It was a lot of fun. Jada really enjoyed cooking. As a child under 7, I think she's 7, almost 8. So having an 8-year-old like actually cook was fun. She likes sushi, so she liked the sushi bowl. I loved it. I thought it was delicious. So it's a win-win on multiple levels with multiple people in the house. And I'm a friend who just got to come over and hang out with friends and also got to enjoy. So if you're thinking about meal kits and what could work for you, I think definitely give Blue Apron a try. Check our link in the comments of this video. Let us know what you think. If you have more questions, or if there's even like something you think that you'd like to see us do, we would love to hear more about that. But hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure that you like, subscribe, follow, and continue to engage with us so that you never miss a podcast, you never miss any of the cool things that we're doing. And make sure you subscribe to our newsletter too, to just stay up to date on ParentPorch.com. See y'all next time.